Sorry there. Didn't know you guys were watching today. Caught me in the middle of a little recycling here. You know, Highway 83, Miller time recycling. It is what it is. You know, got to do the squisharoo. But since I got you here, let's drop some knowledge on you. Let's jump into it. Lads, today's video is super simple but super important. We're talking about factory service manuals for Suzuki Samurai, Sidekick Geo tracker. You gotta have one, man, if you're gonna work on your vehicle. This is all the knowledge you're ever gonna need. This has all the proper torque specifications for all the bolts, wiring diagrams, complete disassembly, reassembly, everything that you're gonna need to know about the entire vehicle. Oil capacities, oil weights, everything top to bottom. This is the Bible for Suzukis. I keep one next to my toilet when I'm taking care of business. I'm just flipping through here gaining knowledge, man. That's what it's all about. So we added these to our website. We have these for sale in paperback form. We also have on CD, you can pop in your computer and scan through the manual and print out the pages you want. We're also adding certain parts of it you can look at right on the website, and I'm going to be adding more as time goes on, especially if you guys have questions on this video. Ask your questions for all the Geo tracker. These are all Geo tracker and Suzuki Sidekick manuals. If you have questions on wheel hubs, torque specifications, engine disassembly, transmission, let me know any questions you have. Comment on the video and I will add it to our website, and that'll help you out a lot. We don't have any of these ones for sale, but we're working on it. Otherwise, they are, like I said, available. We'll download them, scan them into the computer, and put them onto the website. If you have a Haynes manual or one of these Chiltons, a lot of guys you are yapping about on the web, chuck these bad boys because they're no good, baby. They got bad information. They're not very good. They're just lousy in general. They're very basic. What you want is the Samurai manual, brought to you by Suzuki. These are what it's all about. People are always asking on the internet, what's the best knowledge I can get? And some guys are always hyping about these Haynes and this and that. They're trash. They're no good. You don't want them. So that's what we're talking about today, and we're getting everything on our website. So if you need the knowledge, you can buy the books, you can buy the CD, and we're gonna upload cheat sheets and torque specs and everything onto the website, highway83suzukisalvage.com, or Google Highway 83 Suzuki, and it's going to pop right up, blast onto our website. You'll see all of our YouTube videos on there, our online store, the service maintenance manuals, and everything you're going to need to contact us to order parts or ask questions. So we got one more thing for you here in this video. I'll be right back. So don't be a butthead. Get yourself a factory service manual. Hey, Beavis. Yeah, happy Halloween, guys. Follow our YouTube channel. And it's Miller time over here. Ah!